I was honestly super nervous to dye my hair. I've always gotten it done in salons, and I feel like my hair is my defining feature. So I always go to Sally's Beauty for all of my hair and beauty needs. So the first thing I did was head over to their website. I was able to chat with a real licensed colorist using their licensed colorist on demand feature. But honestly, the licensed colorist on demand was so incredibly helpful. They helped me figure out the products and supplies that I would need to achieve the hair goals of my dreams. They gave me all the products I needed. They told me exactly what to do, and they even set me up with an in-store order. So basically all I had to do was show up, pick up the products, and apply it to my hair. I'm going to use the High Color Red Highlight Permanent Copper Cream Hair Color, and I'm also going to use the Orior 20 Cream Developer. These products are specifically chosen for me because my natural hair is more of a dirty blonde. It's kind of a dark root, but not crazy dark. So the colorist will give you personalized product recommendations for your specific hair type and texture. So that's why the 20 Developer was chosen. And then on top of it, it had to match the shade I already had because we're just touching up the roots. The licensed colorist even walked me through aftercare so I can maintain my hair's health. Seriously, you need to head to Sally's website to try their licensed colorist on demand and test it out for yourself.